Are you looking for the best dumping garden carts? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dumping garden carts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. BILT Hard 4 Cu.Ft 10-inch no-flat tires poly-yard dump cart. The BILT Hard Dump Cart is a durable and versatile garden cart that is perfect for all your gardening needs. With its 10-inch no-flat tires, you can easily navigate any terrain without worrying about flat tires or punctures. The cart's 600 pounds capacity and 36.5-inch x 20-inch wide heavy-duty bed allow you to haul heavy loads with ease. It's also easy to assemble with no special tools required, and the 180 degrees rotating handle provides excellent maneuverability. Whether you're hauling gardening supplies or other outdoor items, the BILT Hard Dump Cart is a reliable and convenient choice. Plus, with BILT Hard's commitment to customer satisfaction, you can shop with confidence knowing that your purchase is backed by a 100% satisfaction guarantee. What we like: no flat tires, durable and long-lasting, easy to assemble. Number 2. VEVOR 400 pounds steel garden dump cart. The VEVOR garden dump cart is designed to handle heavy loads with ease, supporting up to 400 pounds. Its durable steel construction and 2.1 Cu.Ft capacity make it a reliable choice for various gardening tasks. You'll appreciate the quick unloading feature, thanks to its front-handle dumping frame, which allows you to empty your cart efficiently. Additionally, the cart can be transformed into a flatbed by removing the side panels, making it perfect for transporting larger items. With 10-inch rubber tires, this wagon ensures smooth navigation across uneven terrain, enhancing your overall gardening experience. What we like: heavy load capacity, quick unloading feature, convertible flatbed design, excellent shock absorption. Number 3. Roomark Garden Dump Cart. The Roomark Garden Cart is designed to make your outdoor tasks easier and more efficient. With 10-inch noise reduction tires, you can navigate various terrains like grass or mud with ease, ensuring a smooth ride. The 180 degrees rotating handle allows you to adjust the cart's direction comfortably, providing better control while you work. Built to endure heavy loads and harsh weather, this durable cart is resistant to rust and corrosion. Its versatile design makes it perfect for gardening, hauling firewood, or transporting tools, making it a reliable companion for all your outdoor needs. What we like: durable construction, 180 degrees rotating handle, noise reduction tires, versatile for various tasks. Number 4. Gorilla Carts Utility Cart with Steel Frame. The Gorilla Carts GOR 4 PS Poly Garden Dump Cart with steel frame and 10 inches. Pneumatic tires, 600 pound capacity. Black is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile and easy-to-use garden cart. It is easy to assemble, with well-labeled parts and clear instructions. It is tough and durable, with a rust-proof poly bed and 10-inch pneumatic tires, and can handle up to 600 pounds of cargo. It is also comfortable to pull, with a padded pull handle. It is perfect for hauling wood, hay, and other materials around the yard or garden. What we like: easy to assemble, tough and durable, comfortable to pull, can handle up to 600 pounds of cargo. Number 5. AAIN 600 pounds Garden Dump Cart. The AAIN Garden Dump Cart is designed to make your outdoor tasks easier. With a robust capacity of 600 pounds, this cart can handle heavy loads effortlessly. Its 180 degrees rotating handle allows you to maneuver it comfortably, adapting to your needs while reducing strain. The 10-inch pneumatic tires provide smooth movement over various terrains, including grass and sand, ensuring you can transport materials without hassle. Additionally, the quick-release system allows for easy unloading, saving you time and effort during your gardening projects. What we like: high weight capacity, ergonomic handle design, pneumatic tires for stability, quick unloading feature,